How to check your own birth chart. Ever wondered what the stars say about you? Well, today we're diving into birth charts, your personal cosmic blueprint. By the end of this video, you'll be able to find and understand your birth chart with ease. Trust me, it's way more fun than it sounds. And hey, if you're not sure about your exact birth time, now might be a good time to text your parents. So what exactly is a birth chart? Think of it like a snapshot of the sky at the exact moment you were born. It shows where each planet was, and that tells us a lot about who you are, like your strengths, emotions, and even how you present yourself to the world. It's kind of like your cosmic map, showing everything from your personality to your hidden talents. And don't worry, even if it looks complicated, I'll walk you through it step by step 3. All right, to get started, you'll need a few details. Your date, time, and place of birth. If you have all that handy, let's head over to a site like Astrocom. Just pop in your details, hit enter, and voila, your birth chart is ready. Don't be alarmed if it looks a bit overwhelming. Those symbols and houses might seem confusing at first, but we'll break them down. Your birth time is key, especially for your rising sign. If you're not sure, try calling your parents for help. Now let's dive into the fun part, reading the chart. There are 3 major players you should know: the sun, the moon, and your rising sign, sun sign, your core personality. This is the you that people know best. For example, a Leo sun, you probably love the spotlight. Moon sign, your emotional self. This is how you feel deep inside. Got a Cancer moon. That's a recipe for being super nurturing. Maybe a little emotional too. Rising sign, your outer appearance. This is your vibe, the first impression you give. If you're a Sagittarius rising, you might come across as adventurous and optimistic planets in houses. The chart is divided into 12 houses, and each one represents an area of life, like love, career, or friendships. Where the planets sit in these houses can reveal a lot. So if your Venus is in the 7th house, relationships are super important to you. You're all about that deep connection. Aspects made simple. Aspects show how the planets interact. A trine is like a smooth conversation between 2 friends, while a square, that's a bit more like an argument. All right, it's time for you to explore your own birth chart. What's your sun, moon, and rising? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to see what cosmic combos we've got watching. Comment your big 3, sun, moon, rising. And if you get stuck somewhere, no worries, I'll be checking the comments to help out. Now you know how to check?